Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Roblox PC. First, connect your controller to your computer using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Then, we will configure Steam to recognize your controller and apply the correct settings for Roblox. This process ensures your controller inputs are properly translated, giving you full control within your favorite Roblox games. You will be gaming comfortably in no time with this simple setup. For a wired connection, simply plug one end of your micro USB cable into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your PC usually recognizes the controller as a generic input device almost immediately. This method is often the most reliable, ensuring minimal input lag and no battery concerns. Once connected, the controller light bar might illuminate, indicating power, and you are ready for the next step, which involves a brief software setup. Connecting wirelessly uses your computer's Bluetooth. Start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your PC. Next, on your PlayStation 4 controller, press and hold the central PlayStation button and the share button together for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins to flash quickly. On your PC, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, then select Wireless Controller from the list of available devices to pair. A solid light bar confirms a successful connection. Now let's configure Steam. Open Steam and enter Big Picture mode from the top right icon. This mode provides the best interface for controller setup. From there, go to your library, select Add a Game at the bottom left, and then add a non-Steam game. Browse for your Roblox player executable, usually found in your program files. Once added, you can then customize controller layouts, specifically for Roblox within Steam's robust configuration options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.